guys, so I wanted to show you this PS2, if you guys remember this. So this is what it looks like. Now you can have it laying down flat, or you actually can have it standing up as well too. But this is what it looks like right here. So you're gonna have your memory cards. Those are your little slots right there for 2 of them. This is what they look like. You literally just stick it back in. And then you have your reset button right here. And then your eject button. And then this is where you put the disc in. So this part will come out. And then on the back, this is where you actually have the power switch right there, the on and off, and then the plugs right there. So these are always actually fun. We decided to take it out for the kids and play, just for them to like check it out and see it. But they still had a lot of fun. Obviously the graphics are completely different, but it definitely is a lot of fun. And then the controller, you just unplug it in right there.